Now we have to calculate the purchase consideration. In this problem, X and Y company amalgamated to form a new company called Z. Assets of the X company are taken over at a valuation of 10% less than the book value. But in case of land and building, the only book value only. Other than land and building, all other assets will be taken over at less than the 10% of the book value. So nothing has been mentioned in the problem regarding the valuation of the Y Limited, assets of the Y Limited. So all the assets of the Y Limited has to be transferred at book value. Now in the liability side, the 6% debentures, employees provident fund, creditors are liability to the outsider. Equity share capital, reserve fund, dividend equalization fund and profit and loss account. It belongs to the shareholder. See, in this sheet, you come to know the accumulated profit, the profit and loss account, general reserve, dividend equalization fund. Okay, it belongs to the shareholder. Liability to the insider. Profit and loss account, dividend equalization fund, reserve fund and equity shares. Now we have to calculate the purchase consideration. Net asset method. Particulars, X Limited, Y Limited. Assets taken over values. Land and building. $30,000. Plant and machinery. $1,10,000. 11,000. 99,000. So plant and machinery in X Limited 10% less than the book value. In case of Y Limited, book value only. Stock. Stock in case of X Limited 10% less than the book value. In case of I limited, book value only. Debtors. Debtors. Value 1600. 9000. Cash 3000. 1000. So in case of cash, there is no reduction in value of the cash. $68,000. Total assets taken over. Less liabilities taken over values. Liabilities taken over values. We have to consider liabilities to the outsider. 6% debentures, employees provident fund, creditors. Profit and loss account, dividend equalization fund, reserve fund belongs to equity shareholder. 6% debentures. Employees provident fund. Creditors 10,000. Total liabilities taken over. Net valuation. This is a net valuation. Minus 1,26,000. 60,000. Now, goodwill. Both the companies are to receive 5% of the valuation of their respective business as a goodwill. Goodwill at the rate of 5%. So 1,26,000 into 5%, 6,300. 3,000. Add 1,32,300. Is a purchase consideration. Entire purchase price is to be paid by Z Limited in fully paid shares. So it is a discharge of purchase consideration. Discharge of purchase consideration. X Limited, 13,230 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Y Limited, 6,300